Pinch of Life presents green chili chutney chicken. Ingredients for chutney: farm fresh green chilies, farm fresh coriander and yogurt, ginger, garlic, lemon, salt and cumin seeds. Blend it well and make a chutney. Now take pan, put oil on it. Add cumin seeds. Now add chicken pieces. Make it fry well. Cover it. Fry till chicken turns into light golden brown. Now add onion slices into pan. At this step, when onions turn into brown, now it's time to add green chutney into pan. Mix it well. Here's our beautiful and delicious green chutney chicken is on final stage. Ready to serve, garnish with lemon, green chilies and fresh coriander. Thanks for watching Pinch of Life. Please like, share and subscribe Pinch of Life.